Wait a minute. This topic will interest you. Most YouTube channels don't fail because people aren't talented. They fail because of small, avoidable mistakes. And the worst part? A lot of creators don't even realize they're making them. I've seen it happen over and over again. Someone starts a channel full of excitement, big dreams. They post consistently for a few weeks, maybe even months. Then suddenly, nothing. Low views, no growth, silence. And slowly, they give up. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. It's not YouTube. It's the mistakes. Let me walk you through a few of them. Honestly. First mistake, posting without a clear direction. You can't be everything on one channel. Today, you post motivation. Tomorrow, it's cooking. Next week, relationships. Listen, your audience gets confused. And when people are confused, they don't subscribe. YouTube itself doesn't even know who to show your content to. You need clarity. One message, one lane. Even if you grow later, start focused. Second mistake, focusing too much on yourself. This one hurts a little. A lot of creators think, what do I want to post today? Wrong question. The real question is, what does my audience need today? And people don't click because of you. They click because of what your content does for them. Does it teach them something? Make them feel something? Solve a problem? If your video doesn't answer that, they scroll past. Simple. Third mistake, weak thumbnails and titles. This right here, this is where most channels die. You could have the best video in the world, but if nobody clicks, it's useless. Your thumbnail and title are your first impression. Think about it. Would you click your video? Be honest. If it looks boring, confusing, or like everyone else's, people will ignore it. You need curiosity, emotion, clarity. Make people feel like they're missing out if they don't click. Fourth mistake, giving up too early. This one is the silent killer. People expect results too fast. You post 10 videos, 20 videos, and because you're not viral yet, you feel like it's not working. But YouTube doesn't reward impatience. It rewards consistency. It rewards people who keep showing up, even when nobody is watching. Because one day, someone will watch. And when they do, they'll go through your content. That's when growth starts to happen. Fifth mistake, ignoring improvement. Posting is not enough. Let me say that again. Posting is not enough. You have to get better. Better storytelling, better editing, better hooks. Every video should be slightly better than the last. If your content looks the same after 30 videos, that's a problem. Growth on YouTube is tied to growth in skill. Sixth mistake, no emotional connection. This is deep. People don't subscribe to content. They subscribe to feeling. How do you make them feel? Inspired? Understood? Motivated? If your videos feel empty, robotic, people won't stay. Even faceless channels. The voice, the story, the energy. It matters. People need to feel you, even if they don't see you. And finally, chasing trends without purpose. Trends can grow your channel, yes. But if you don't align them with your message, you'll build the wrong audience. Views will come, but they won't stay. And a channel that grows without direction eventually collapses. So here's the real takeaway. You don't need to be perfect to win on YouTube. You just need to avoid the things that quietly destroy your growth. Stay focused. Serve your audience. Improve every time. And most importantly, don't quit too soon. Because the truth is, most people fail right before things start working. Don't be that person.